Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to convert text file to Java file. Open Folder Options in Windows search bar, click Folder Options. Click View tab, uncheck Hide extensions for known file types, click Apply, click OK. Create new text file. Simply rename file and replace txt to Java. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.